good evening. I just have a couple questions that came in, so let's answer them. We've got this doozy of a question, pretty difficult, but we can handle it. So yes, there are some mistakes here. Let's figure them out. Remember, mistakes is the way. Are the way. Oh, wow. Good thing I'm not an English teacher. Mistakes are the way that we learn the best, because when we make mistakes, it shows what we don't understand, and then we fix them. That's how we create a new understanding. All right, so I noticed that you, in here, you look like you tried to combine these like terms together. When you see like terms, when you see parentheses, it's been a long day, sorry. When you see parentheses, you need to distribute into those parentheses first. So if you need lots of examples, you can go back and rewatch the videos from week 4. From week 4, there's a video with this called Simplifying Before Solving. All right. So that would be 4.2. That's right, video 4.2. If you need to go back and watch that, get lots of examples. Okay, so we have 35 equals, you multiply -4 times 1x to get -4x. -4 times +7, remember the symbol with the number always goes to the left. So that would be -28. And then this -1x, nothing happened with it because it's not in the parentheses. All right, now we can combine our like terms. We have -4x's and we have -1x's. And so adding those together, we get -5x's. Remember, on your calculator, you would put that in when you're combining like terms, or some people call it regrouping. You always put it in as addition to get the right answer. All right, now the next thing we're going to talk about is this -28. So the -28 has not changed, and this +35, nothing has changed with +35. And now it's just a two-step equation. All right, so with two-step equations, we know, we're smart, we know what's going on. You just add 28 to both sides to start. Remember, that creates a 0, so we're getting closer and closer to getting the x alone. 35, always adding top to bottom, even when it's negative. 63, we divide by -5 on both sides. Boom, goodbye, -5. And then on this one, it's kind of funny what happens. Remember, you always divide top to bottom, so 63 divided by 5, or -5. And we get a decimal, and then we are going to press the conversion button, and it's going to turn it back into -63 over 5. The reason why is because you can't reduce the fraction anymore. So your final answer is -63 over 5. But if you put -12.6 on the test, I wouldn't take any points off. I would just remind you that you should be working towards reducing your fractions. All right, so quite a few misunderstandings on that one. Make sure you can always pause this, go back, rewatch it, try to do the steps as I'm doing them. I'm here. I'm here to help. All right. Like I said, it's been a long day. Sorry. Okay. So this next question. Oh, awesome. I love seeing this. So you are showing that you understand that these two numbers need to be combined. However, that's a -2, not a +2. So when you add, you need to do plus -2 to get 3. So this should be a 3. Oh gosh, I hate it when this happens. Go away, go away. Okay, so then great job. You brought down the 20, you brought down the 41. Good for you. Now it's a two-step. You're showing you understand two steps. That's wonderful. You're going to divide 21 by 3, though, because now we know it's a 3 and not a 7, and you're going to get x equals 7. Okay, lovely human, I hope that was helpful, and if it wasn't, don't worry. I'm happy to redo it, do more examples. You let me know. Probably not tonight, but maybe another time. Okay, good luck.